Hello and welcome. My name is Sebastian and we are still here in Amazon Bedrock. And today we want to go a little bit to image generation. So here in the playground, we go to image. We will select a model. So in this case, we use here again Titan generator. What is the action? We want to generate an image. The response image, we can also say here the size. Let's make it a little bit smaller. The number of images which we want to have. So you can say up to 5 images I want, but in this case we want just 2. And advanced configurations, this is here like prompt sense and seed. And now we can come here to our prompt. Give me a picture of a spaceship in the near of the moon. It should have the Earth in the background and the Milky Way. Okay, let's run it. It will shortly take a moment. So why also image generation? So as you saw, there are different models available in Amazon Bedrock, also here for image generation and video. So you can choose which model you want to have. And as you saw, we can also a little bit play here with the with the output size. So even here landscape, we have also portrait. So there are different types. And when we see now here what the model created, okay, could be weird spaceship. Okay, that's the shuttle. And the second one, so it could be a little bit better here, Titan image generator, because I also don't see the Earth. So as you can see, some of the models are better with image generation, some are not. But this playground gives you a first hint how the output is going for your prompts, and this is what this playground is all about. So you can play here around, give it another model when you want, and then you can also have the same prompt and play around and see how the images are evolving, how the images are generated, and if they are fitting your needs or not, and can play around. Okay, this was all to image generation. I hope I see you in one of the next videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.